In the late 1980s, Honda introduced the NX650 Dominator, a versatile dual-sport motorcycle designed to bridge the gap between on-road riding and off-road capability. The bike was powered by a 644 cubic centimeters air-cooled single-cylinder SOHC engine producing around 44 horsepower. It quickly gained a reputation for being tough, simple, and easy to maintain. The NX650 Dominator earned a special place in the hearts of adventure enthusiasts thanks to its ability to handle a wide range of conditions, from city streets to rocky trails. It was produced from 1988 until the early 2000s in various markets, and the model became one of Honda's iconic multipurpose motorcycles that significantly influenced the development of modern adventure bikes. Now comes the concept of the Honda NX500T Dominator, carrying the same spirit but with major updates to meet modern demands. The core principle remains unchanged, a rugged motorcycle capable of tackling many types of terrain. The difference is that Honda now equips it with a 500 cubic centimeters twin-cylinder engine, replacing the previous generation's 650 cubic centimeters single-cylinder unit. This new engine offers smoother vibration, improved efficiency, and greater comfort for medium to long-distance riding. The original Dominator DNA is preserved, but adapted to align with today's lifestyle and Honda's current direction. The NX500T Dominator is positioned differently from the existing Honda NX500. This motorcycle is designed to handle tougher and more challenging terrain, earning it the nickname Baby Africa Twin. Equipped with a 21-inch front wheel, dual-purpose tires, and long travel suspension, the bike promises a balance between true off-road capability and on-road comfort. The concept reinforces the Dominator's image as a versatile motorcycle capable of satisfying modern adventurers, whether exploring demanding dirt trails or covering long distances on paved roads. In terms of design, the Honda NX500T Dominator radiates a strong adventure aura. Its body lines are inspired by the Africa Twin, featuring an aggressive yet slim profile that allows flexibility in off-road terrain. The signature Honda racing colors, red, blue, and white, create a strong rally-inspired look, combined with gold-spoked wheels that further emphasize its adventurous spirit. However, it is important to note that this design is not an official Honda product, but rather the imagination of renowned designer Obaden Betsy, who is well known for creating compelling modern interpretations of classic motorcycles.